Beside memory upgrading of my computers, I decided to add these 4 hard drives into my older PC casing and build a RAID array system to increase app system speed and data safety percentage. But there wasn't enough space inside the casing for 4 extra hard drives. Then I tried to solve this problem using these hinges and some outdated DVD-ROM drives. Carefully opening the DVD drive and drilling some small holes on the cover, then installing the hinges using small nuts and bolts, made it easy to receive the hard drive on a safe way. There is enough space under the hard drive for airflow to cool it down. The hard drive's electronic circuit does not touch the surface of the cover. 2 of them must be configured as RAID 0 and 2 of them RAID 1. For one of them I used my $20 cartridge that I had at home. A broken or outdated DVD or CD-ROM drive is easy to find and is much cheaper or even free than a $20 cartridge. This is the full view of the hard drive installed inside the drive. Safe and tight, it shouldn't be shaking while working. The rest of the installation process is same as installing a simple DVD drive inside the computer casing. Because 4 hard drives would produce more heat, so I tried to install some extra PC fans around the casing. This is the view from inside the casing, all tightened by nuts and bolts. Also for the front view I used some 3.4 volt red LEDs with proper resistors. Meanwhile, to decrease down the noise, I used this 6-channel fan controller, which is a very useful device for controlling all the fans. Because my 400 watts power supply was a bit older, it didn't have enough SATA cable interface. So I cut a SATA cable from another broken power supply and soldered to the casing power supply to be able to power up all the hard drives at the same time. This is the configuration of 4 drives connected to power supply. 4 power wires plus 2 sensor wires of the fans should go down through the casing to be connected to the fan controller. After all finished, I installed Windows 7 64-bit operating system, and now it works very much better and faster than before. Also for better performance, I added 7 flash drives as ready boost or cache memory. These high-speed flash drives increase up the whole system speed, including web browsing, to a very sensible and significant amount. This is the schematic diagram of how I connected all the system. You can download it in high-quality format as PNG.